Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. Mark and I are outside today. And Mark, what do we got going on, man? So we got a sack of crawfish.
Man, it's my favorite time of year. We're finna wash some crawfish.
That's right. We're going to show y'all how this Cowboy washer cleans up crawfish. And we started using this thing, what, about 3 years ago?
3 years ago.
And it makes cleaning a sack of crawfish super easy. That's why we bought it, and that's why we use it. And let's show you how we do it.
Let's get it. So we got our crawfish tub on the ground. It's a 60-quart plastic tub, has a jet on the side and a drain on the other. You get your standard water hose hooked up. And then I'm gonna leave the water off for now. Malcolm's finna drop this crawfish in here. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna slowly turn the water on. We're gonna start the water off pretty slow at first until it gets up, and then we'll open it all the way.
So what we're doing, we're letting the tub fill up with water. It's gonna float any debris over the top, and then right as it gets to the top and starts trickling over, we're gonna release the cap on the bottom so we can drain the muddy water off. The whole time you're sending fresh water in, and it's gonna create kind of a whirlpool effect and give these crawfish a jacuzzi bath.
And Malcolm too, they got it figured out to where it lets the same amount of water in as it does out. So you pull that drain, you still have water running over the top and draining out the bottom at the same time.
So you can see how muddy the water is now. That's all the dirt coming off the crawfish. We wanna run it in the tub until the water's crystal clear. That's how you know they're clean.
So like Malcolm was saying, the water's coming over the top. We're gonna go ahead and pull this drain at the bottom. All your mud's gonna come out the bottom, your grass and everything will float out the top, and these crawfish will be clean here in just a few minutes.
It takes about 20 minutes for them to circulate to get them good and clean, depending on how dirty those crawfish are.
So these crawfish have been washed for about 15 minutes, and you can tell, I mean, they are crystal clean. Their bellies don't have any mud on them. The water's good and clean. I mean, it don't get any prettier than that.
That's a clean crawfish, Mark.
That's
it. Any big ones off in here?
There's a couple.
Oh, yeah. That's some good eating sized crawfish right there. And this batch, if you get any that's got straight tails, that means they're dead. You gotta get those out. I don't know about this one. He may not be with us, but we haven't pulled many out of this sack.
So at this point, we're just gonna shut the water off, let the water drain off, and it's ready to go in the basket and go in the pot.
So Mark, we got the crawfish good and clean in the washer. It takes about 30 minutes tops. What we're looking for, ooh, that joker got me right there, look. Oh, he ain't playing. Crawfish washer does a great job getting all that off. You always want to start with clean crawfish. It's gonna make them taste better in the long run. Got all our ingredients out here, Mark. We're gonna get ready to cook up a pot.
And that's it.
We'll have that video out next week, so y'all tune in for that one too. Mark, where can they find you, man?
You can find us at Swine Life BBQ on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. As always, shoot us some questions you have, and we'll be glad to help you out.
That's right. Y'all know I'm on HowtoBBQRight. You can also find us on Facebook for Out the Smoke. Send some questions over there. We'll do some videos on it. We'll see y'all next time.